I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting project context and installing the ODA Classes package, making sure the runtime matches the library. Once installed, initialize a new project scaffold with Oda in it and pick the template that matches your application pattern. This seeds key config files. Make sure to set ODA home and activate virtualenv or NVM so dependencies isolate. You'll briefly inspect the generated class files and config JSON to confirm naming conventions and dependency entries before moving to implement behavior. You next implement business logic by extending the provided base classes, override init and handle methods to inject services and manage state. Once done, map intents to class handlers in the router and implement validate functions to sanitize inputs. Make sure to use dependency injection for API clients and store transient state in provided context objects. This prevents tight coupling. After coding, register your classes in Oda. Config, run Oda build, and watch for compile errors that reveal missing imports or misnamed methods. You finish by thoroughly testing handlers with Oda test and the local emulator to validate flows and edge cases. Once tests pass, deploy using Oda deploy or integrate into CI/CD and monitor runtime logs and metrics to confirm behavior in staging. If things go wrong, check stack traces first, validate your Oda. Config and class registration, and enable debug logging to capture request context. Often the issue is a mismatched intent name or missing dependency. Finally, iterate and redeploy small fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.